Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorial channel. My name is Morris and I'm going to be showing you how to fix a Bosch dishwasher error code. Alright guys, so the dishwasher error code we're going to be looking at in today's video is the E15 code. It's an easy fix. What does the E15 error mean? It simply means that water has been detected in the base pan of the dishwasher, and this activates the built-in leak protection system, often with a tap icon or the drain pump running continuously. It's a safety feature to prevent flooding. As you can see, we have the E15 error code displayed on our screen. Now, what are the common causes of this? The common causes of this would include minor leaks from hoses, door seals, or spray arms, clogged filters, or drain issues causing backup, as well as over sodding from wrong detergents, leaky inlet hose, and rarely the machine not being leveled. So that's one of those issues. Now, what's a quick fix you can try? One of them would be to turn off the power and water supply and then carefully tilt the dishwasher forward about 45 degrees and then place towels underneath to catch water. This drains the base pan, and then once you're done, stand it back upright and then wipe any spills and then power it on to test again. And if it doesn't work, you could try unplugging for 5 minutes or reset it via the control panel. So you could try resetting it via your dishwasher's control panel and run a short cycle to check if the E15 error is gone. Now, if any of these don't work, what can you do? Basically, you can simply unplug and also call a technician to have a look at it. So guys, please make sure to contact Bosch support or a technician, and that's it. So this fixes most E15 errors quickly. Thank you for watching, and if this helped, like and subscribe and hit the bell for more tips. See you next time.